Hi there, welcome to this module on SQL Prompt. In this module, I'm going to be showing you some of the basics and getting to know SQL Prompt in general. Let's start off by showing you how we can install it. So we can always get a copy from the Redgate website. Here I'm at the toolbelt page where I can download the entire SQL toolbelt. So that includes Prompt along with our comparison tools that we have covered in another Redgate University video, also some backup, SQL Doc, and SQL Source Control. When I have the installer downloaded, if I run it, it'll show me what tools I'll want to install from the toolbelt. And here I've already selected the latest version of Prompt, and specifically here I can choose whether I want this to be installed into Visual Studio, into SSMS, or into both. When I'm happy, I'm going to hit continue. I'll have a look at the end user license agreement, and again, if I'm happy with this, I'll just hit accept. Specify the location that we want to install into, and then I'm going to hit the install. Okay, so once the installation is complete, I'm just going to hit finish, and then I'm going to launch Management Studio so we can see how we can interact with Prompt. Okay, so once Management Studio is open and ready to go, we can connect. I'm just going to use the basic information in this case. And now you might notice that at the top, I have this new SQL Prompt menu bar. So I can open this up, and then we can have a look at the various options here. So that's a quick overview as to how we can acquire Prompt, download Prompt, and install it into our local environment, and how we can start to interact with it in Management Studio. Thank you.